Hello students, welcome back to Planet Spark. I am Tanu and today I am going to bring you 15 sentences for daily conversation. I have made a promise, commitment to make your English sound natural and fluent. So when we speak to friends, family and even strangers, we end up using the same sentences again and again. So boring. So let's look at the alternatives to sound cool and smarter. This is the best way to gain confidence to speak English with others. So, hop on. First, let's look at phrases we can use with people we know and people we don't know. Nice to bump into you. Sounds fancy. The meaning of bumping into someone is to collide with someone, to meet someone unexpectedly. For example, I bumped into my boss at the supermarket while buying groceries. Now, the next phrase we use is when we have not met someone before. We may have heard about them earlier, or maybe we were digitally connected to them and finally got a chance to see them in person. So we say, it's great to finally meet you in person. You know, during the lockdown in COVID, we were all connected to each other digitally and through our phones. And post-COVID, I met so many people I used to speak for work online. So yes. Number 3, another one you use when you don't know the person, you can say, I have heard so much about you. This is actually a nice way of complimenting someone. And number 4, a very polite way of saying, I don't know who you are, so please introduce yourself. You don't want to sound rude to an absolute stranger, so you say, I don't think we have crossed the path. And the last number 5 is, so good to put a face to the name. It sounds warm, confident and smart. So now we move to another set of phrases you can use when you catch up with someone you know. 6th is, how is everything going? See, it's a great way to lead the conversation. They can choose what they want to talk about, whether it is work, personal life, any discussion in general. So you are going to look like a great communicator who allows the other person to speak and also lead the conversation sometime. 7th phrase, great running into you. This is a very warm and casual way to approach and start any conversation. Number 8, what have you been up to? This is another very warm and friendly phrase, something we usually use casually with close friends. So I would suggest using it when you are relaxing or chilling with your friends. 9th phrase, tell me everything. What's the latest? Tell me everything is a warm, excited phrase you use with close friends when you want all the details about their life or something interesting that happened. On the other hand, what's the latest is a friendly but lighter phrase you can use with friends, colleagues or acquaintances when you just want quick updates. It's casual, versatile and works in both personal and professional settings. Number 10th is, I am glad we finally got a moment to connect. When you've been trying to connect with someone for a while, but both of you were busy, it works perfectly in professional settings as well as with acquaintances. Now let's discuss all the phrases you can use to create further contact. Like, you really liked meeting someone, you would love to catch up another time. So directly asking for a number or sounding desperate will definitely create a bad impression. So let's improve that part. Number 11th is, I would like to continue this conversation sometime. So you see a very subtle way of saying that I would like to have a chat next time. Number 12, now when you want to keep it open-ended and don't want to sound pushy, you can also say, we should talk again. What's the best way to reach you? This way you can stay connected and reach out whenever. Next one, number 13th is my absolute favorite because it involves food. And food makes the conversation so much better. Do you agree? We should chat over coffee or we should talk over dinner. I mean, no one can say no to good food or coffee. Are you a tea person or coffee lover? Let me know in the comments. 14th, another phrase, very simple, direct, warm and friendly. I really enjoyed talking to you. Let's not make this the last time. 15th, last but not the least, is for all the cool Gen Z audience. You want to keep it cool, confident? You can say, we vibe well. Let's catch up again soon. It's simple and honest. Alright, those were your 15 smart, simple and clear sentences for daily conversations. These phrases are great for networking, whether you are meeting someone for the first time or hoping to see them again. And trust me, whatever you say leaves an impression. People form opinions about you based on the words you choose. By the way, at Planet Spark, we are raising confident speakers and our students come from all across the country. We are building a community of bold, expressive, young learners. Be a part of our cool gang, book a free trial class using the link in the description, or you can also visit our website. So this is me, Tanu Sardana, signing off for now. I shall see you in the next video.